Have you ever thought about wearing 3D printed glasses to a cross-country meet? Well, that's exactly what I did. But first, let's rewind a bit, as there was a lot more than just boom, glasses. It all leads back to track, from experimenting with those funky shoes I had. I also had another idea coming on, designing some custom glasses. The initial model I made was kinda trash, and I forgot all about them until cross-country. Even when cross-country rolled around, I still didn't really care much about the glasses, and the focus was on the shoes. In fact, I made a full another video about selling one of them, and then I made a second iteration that I had actually planned to run on for this video. I tried getting used to them prior to doing any running in them, and they were better than the last ones while walking, but I still hadn't ran in them, so the day before the meet, I finally decided I should run in them before doing the race. 10 minutes into a 20-minute workout, I totally just ripped them off as they were really starting to hurt. The rest, I just ran barefoot, which actually felt a lot better. The shoes were starting to really rub into my skin way too much in the front of my shoes, something I definitely need to fix later on. I still really wanted to run in them at the meet, but figured it probably wasn't going to happen, and I even said so in this clip right here. We're getting back from cross country, we're practically there. I am 90% sure we are not wearing the shoes to the meet, in which case this video is actually about the glasses. Yeah, that's where the glasses came in. I'd already been working on them a little this week, as the team said they would wear them if I got them done by the next meet, but realizing that the shoes wouldn't work and that I wouldn't have a video otherwise really made me act quick. I got home, fixed the way over the top version I had earlier, and got 10 pairs printing that night. Plus an extra pink version since one of my teammates requested it. Everything didn't fit into one print, so I woke up a couple hours before school to get the main glasses printing and managed to get them all done before leaving to school. Though it definitely made for a very rushed morning. Okay, we gotta go, 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 go! I didn't even manage to assemble the glasses, so I ended up doing that on the bus ride over. When we finally got to the meet, I decided to wear the glasses around while walking the course. So up until this point, I'd had quite a bit of fun and the team sounded like they were gonna do it. But right before the race was about to start, most of the team actually backed out and it was only me and the other teammate who requested the pink version that actually ran with them. All right, here's the moment of truth. Let's see how the race went with my 3D printed glasses on.
Get up, get up, get up, pressure. No, Mikey.
did it! The race is now over. Looking back, the race was actually pretty exhilarating, and with those glasses on, even more so. Even though I couldn't see super well, the race itself was actually faster than I thought it would be, as I was anticipating a slower course due to the hills, but actually got 16:29, which for me is not bad. Oh, and for those curious about the other teammate who wore the pink glasses, well, they didn't necessarily stay on very long. Well, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did creating it and doing all of this. For those of you that have a 3D printer, the files will be on printables, as I didn't actually create this entirely myself. It's actually a remixed one, or a heavily remixed one, as I used the base model to get what I wanted. Overall, I think they turned out pretty good. Anyways, see ya. Whoosh.